Do you struggle designing YouTube thumbnails? It isn't easy. It's really hard to make eye-catching thumbnails. But there is something you can do.
Listen, it doesn't need to be that way. If you're struggling to make your YouTube thumbnails just like I used to, you're gonna wanna stick around for the rest of this video because I have a simple solution to making professionally designed YouTube thumbnails for free.
So we're gonna head to a website called canva.com and you'll have to sign up for an account. It is free. Let's go ahead and get started here. We're gonna go up to the search templates and we're gonna hit YouTube and YouTube thumbnail will come up. Okay, so here we are. And here are all the pre-made layouts. They're already designed for you. You can replace any of these things. You can put whatever kind of text you want, but they're already pre-made. Like if you have a travel channel, you know, about traveling on a budget, here you go. Here is a perfect thing. You can throw your channel name down here, add a text. It's super easy. So I'm going to use this template right here. It's got like a computer here, coffee. It looks like, you know, you're hard at work. So we're just gonna change text here. How to design. And then we're gonna select that. YouTube thumbnails. Simple. I'm actually gonna go in here and I'm gonna change the color of this. Blue is my favorite color, so I really like to make it the color of blue that I want. So I'm just gonna darken that up a tiny bit. And then what you can do is right up here is the opacity tool. You can bring that down so you can see that computer in the background a little bit. And like I said, this is a simple, easy, free tool. Everything is already designed and laid out for you. We could go up here and just type in YouTube. Let's see what we get. And there we go. There's a simple YouTube logo. Get and size that down a little bit. There you go. Boom. A perfect thumbnail. So now we have our thumbnail for this video. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to download. Go ahead and go to JPEG because that's what you need in order to upload your own YouTube thumbnail. All right, you have chosen to open, how to design, blah, blah, blah. Hit OK. We're gonna save that file and you just hit the X. And there you go. We just designed a super quick YouTube thumbnail.
All right, guys, it's as simple as that. Head over to canva.com, get yourself a free account, and start designing some professional YouTube thumbnails for your videos. On your way out of here, I would appreciate if you tag that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We'll see you later.